Hello pawb, croeso Ysgol Llanfyllin. Hello everybody, welcome to Ysgol Llanfyllin. My name is Dewi Owen and I'm head teacher here at our school. Now unfortunately we can't be with each other in person. We would normally do our open evening and I'll be normally stood in front of you doing a speech in the hall at this point, but we can't be due to the COVID restrictions. So croeso Ysgol, welcome to the school. I hope you enjoy our video. Diolch yn fawr iawn pawb.
Noswaith dda pawb a chroeso mawr I chi gyd i'n Noson Agored.
Good evening everyone and welcome to our virtual open evening. 2020 has been a challenging year for us all, and this year our open evening activities have to be done remotely. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and that it gives you a taste of what a wonderful school Ysgol Llanfyllin is.
Mi fydd 2021 yn flwyddyn y byddwch chi'n ei chofio am byth. Dyma'r flwyddyn pan fyddwch chi'n gadael addysg gynradd a dechrau ar eich addysg uwchradd yn ysgol pob oed Llanfyllin. Dyma ddechrau antur fawr a heno ydy'r cam gyntaf. Felly ystedwch yn ôl am ychydig o funedau a gadwch i ni roed cyflwyniad byr I chi i'ch ysgol newydd.
As from September next year, you'll be part of our bilingual school, so what expectations do you have? Here, at Llanfyllin, we always put the needs of the learner first. We have a strong pastoral and academic system, and I'd like to explain what I mean by this. When you start here, you'll be part of a tutor group and you'll meet with your group and tutor every day. Here, you'll be able to discuss issues that you may not always have the chance to in your other lessons. In tutor, you will also have the assemblies on a whole variety of themes with the rest of your year group. The most recent Eston report on our secondary phase said, "The pastoral care in the school is outstanding, and we are a nurturing and inclusive caring community."
Pan gyrhaeddwch chi'r ysgol fe fyddwch chi'n treulio amser gyda'ch tiwtor ac fe fyddwch chi'n cael 6 gwers o 50 munud. Bydd rhain yn cael eu trefnu fel bod chi'n cael egwyl bore ac amser cinio sy'n rhoi cyfle I chi fynd i'r toiled, cael rhywbeth I fita ac I gymdeithasu gyda'ch ffrindiau. Ym mhob gwers mae'r athrawon yn gosod nodau clir a rydyn ni'n disgwyl I disgyblion gymryd rhan gweithredol yn eich dysgu eich hunan. Fe fyddwch chi'n cael llawer o gyfleoedd yn ystod y gwersi ac yn eich cartrefi I wella'ch gwaith yn barhaus ar sail yr adborth a gewch chi oddi wrth eich athrawon. Mae hyn yn golygu gallwch chi fod y gorau y gallwch chi fod a chyflawni'ch potensial ar ddiwedd pob blwyddyn. Rydyn ni hefyd yn ystyried ar ddulliau dysgu gwahanol ac yn teilwro'r gwersi I weddi eich anhengion unigol chi trwy gwahaniaethu a dulliau gwahanol o fynd ati.
Throughout the recent lockdown, we enabled education online via Microsoft Teams. Every class in the school has an online team, so you're able to keep up with your learning whether you're physically in school or not. Assemblies are conducted virtually as we're not able to get everyone together in person at the moment. We are very proud of the range of subjects we can offer pupils at Key Stage 3, 4 and 5. At Key Stage 3, which will be your first 3 years of secondary education, we offer all the national curriculum subjects. The core subjects are English, Maths, Science, and Welsh and statutory religious education is taught. Spiritual and moral aspects of pupils' experience are well developed through the PSC programme. The new curriculum for Wales is being introduced in a phased way to prepare the school for the official launch in September 2022.
Mae ABF yn rhan o'ch amserlen wythnosol a fe fyddwch chi'n cael gwahanol siaradwyr I siarad efo chi am faterion amrywiol iawn fel diogelwch ar y rhyngrwyd. Mae hybu datblygiad moesol, cymdeithasol a diwylliannol disgyblion yn faes rydyn ni'n ymfalchion fawr ynddo. Rydyn ni hefyd yn darparu gwersi sgiliau a fydd yn rhoi cyfle I ddatblygu eich gallu mewn llythrennedd, rhifedd a chymhwysau digidol. Trwy waith prosiect ac yn eich paratoi chi ar gyfer Baccalaureaeth Cymru ym mlynyddoedd 10 ac 11.
Mrs. Rhiannon Molyneux is our Additional Learning Needs Coordinator. She manages a team of very experienced learning support assistants who cover a whole range of needs in order for your child to overcome any barriers they may have. We strongly believe at Llanfyllin that every single child is important and everyone will need a different kind of support in order to achieve their potential.
Un ardal rydyn ni'n arbennig o falch ohono ydy'r ganolfan deulu. Sefydlwyd y ganolfan ym mis Medi 2020 ac mae'n ardal llwyddiannus iawn sy'n cynnig cefnogaeth bugeiliol. Mae'n unigryw i Llanfyllin a fe fydd yn destun cenfigen mewn llawer o ysgolion eraill. Gallwch ddod o hyd i'r ganolfan deulu o fewn yr adran anghenion dysgu ychwanegol. Mrs Fiona Buckley sy'n cydlynu'r gwasanaeth. Mae profiad helaeth gan Fiona o weithio gyda bobl ifanc, ac mae hi'n adolygu a diweddaru dysgu ei hun yn barhaus mwyn gallu delio â'r heriau sy'n ein bywydau ni heddiw, fel iechyd meddwl a phwysau oddi wrth y cyfryngau cymdeithasol. Mae Fiona ar gael yn ystod amser egwyl ac amser cinio i gynnig cyngor, cefnogaeth a chyfarwyddiad ar gyfer bob plentyn yn yr ysgol. Gall rieni gysylltu â Fiona'n uniongyrchol hefyd am gyngor dros y ffôn neu drwy e-bost. Bydd Fiona yn cydlynu asiantaethau allanol a fydd yn cefnogi disgyblion hefyd.
If pupils feeling well during the school day, they can ask to go to the school's own Health and Wellbeing Centre for advice or medication if needed. This service is run by Fiona Green, who is a qualified children's nurse. Some pupils may have short or long-term medical needs and they will be supported in the centre. Medication can be kept securely and a quiet place is available for time-out or administering of medication if necessary. Pupil guidance and mentoring is a real strength for the school. Your teachers will input data about you regularly throughout the year, and Directors of Learning and Progress Managers will review this in relation to your MEGs or minimum expected grades. If necessary, intervention can be put in place so you do not underachieve. Pupil mentoring can happen in registration or at some stage throughout the day, and depending on the nature of the intervention, it could be with a learning support assistant, teacher, or a sixth form peer mentor.
Yn Llanfyllin, rydyn ni'n ymfalchio'n hun bod yn annog ac yn ymestyn ein disgyblion mwy abal a thalentog. Mae llawer o'n disgyblion yn fwy abal a thalentog, naill ai mewn un maes neu mewn nifer. Gallwch fod yn dawel eich meddwl bod gwahaniaethu'n digwydd mewn gwersi a gweithgareddau allgyrsiol lle bod angen fel cwmni theatr y goeden unig. Yr amrywiol glwbiau chwaraeon a'r glwb gwyddoniaeth lle mae disgyblion yn cael cyfle i weithio tu hwnt i'r cwricwlwm.
One of the core aims of the school is to make sure students leave us with excellent examination results. This year is obviously unusual due to the coronavirus, with no pupils being able to sit their final examinations. However, pupils were able to reach their full potential through being awarded their centre-assessed grades. This has allowed over 75 Year 12 pupils to access our sixth form to study A-level and other level 3 qualifications.
Mae'n chweched dosbarth yn parhau duedd hon i lwyddion academaidd. Gyda 140 o ddisgyblion, mae'n chweched dosbarth yn un o'r rhai mwyaf ym Mhywys, ac mae'r ysgol yn parhau i gyflawni canlyniadau sy'n creu argraff. Mae bron pob un o'r disgyblion yn cyflawni canlyniadau sydd ei angen arnyn nhw i fynd ymlaen i brifysgol dewis cyntaf, gyda nifer yn mynd i'w dewis grŵp rysl. Cyflawnir y canlyniadau hyn oherwydd y sylfeini cadarn sydd wedi gosod ym mlwyddyn 7, 8 a 9 yng Nghynwad Allweddol 3, lle yn hanesyddol mae canlyniadau ni cryn dipyn yn uwch na Powys a Chymru. Mae adrodd ar gynnydd disgyblion i chi, y rhieni'n rhan hanfodol o unrhyw flwyddyn ysgol. Gallwch chi ddisgwyl cael 2 adroddiad interim yn ystod y flwyddyn ac adroddiad ysgrifenedig llawn unwaith y flwyddyn. Bydd hyn yn cynnwys yr holl bethau positif ynglŷn â'ch plentyn a'i gynnydd, ond hefyd adran ar sut y gall eich plentyn wella neu berhau i wella. Fydd yna hefyd noson rieni ac ynhelir fel arfer o gwmpas mis Tachwedd. Mae hyn yn rhoi cyfle i chi gyfarfod â chathrawon eich plentyn yn gymharol gynnar yn y flwyddyn, ond hefyd mae'n rhoi cyfle iddyn nhw fod wedi setlo yn yr ysgol.
At Llanfyllin, we pride ourselves on the range of extracurricular activities we offer. The PE department run a sports club every lunchtime, which includes football, rugby, hockey, athletics, and many more sports. We have a climbing wall and our own mountain bike track, which are incredibly popular. Our Power School Development Officer will make sure you have the opportunities to experience new sports and activities throughout the school term. We have a really successful annual sports day where you have a chance to represent your schoolhouse in our fantastic grounds.
Mae gennym ni adran drama fywiog iawn a chlwb drama sef cwmni theatr y goeden unig. Maen nhw wedi cyflwyno nifer o gyfnichiadau ffantastig dros y blynyddoedd diwethaf, gan gynnwys sy'n cynhyrchiad anhygoel Cofiwch Fi. O ran cerddoriaeth, mae gennym ni wersi offerynnol a chanu unigol ac mae yna groeso i chi fanteisio arnyn nhw. Mae gennym ni hefyd gôr ysgol sy'n canu mewn digwyddiadau yn yr ysgol ac yn y gymuned leol ac mae nhw bob amser yn edrych fel bod nhw'n mwynhau eu hunan. Mae gennym ni eisteddfod ysgol bob blwyddyn a fe fydd pawb yn cael ei rannu i'r tai, tanads, efyrnwy ac ain. Fe fyddwch chi'n cynrychioli'ch grŵp tiwtor ac eich tŷ yn cael cyfle i gymryd rhan mewn llawer o gystadlaethau gwahanol fel canu a dawnsio disgo.
Every year we have an art trip to London. The art and photography team make use of the natural beauty around us and have visited Bodfach to capture autumn at its finest. Pupils have also attended a series of workshops at Oriel Art Gallery in Newtown. In non-COVID times, school trips are a strength for the school. There is a biannual trip to America by sixth formers and a yearly European ski trip.
Mae trip poblogaidd i eisteddfod rhyngwladol Llangollen yn un o hoff dripiau disgyblion i gyd. Mae'n disgyblion yn cael profi a dathlu dawns a cherddoriaeth o ar draws y byd. Mae'r myfyrwyr bob amser yn dod nôl o'r wyl yn llawn brwdfrydedd a gyda gwell gwerthfawrogiad a dealltwriaeth o ddiwylliannau cerddorol y byd.
We apologise that you're not able to visit the school in person this year. We'll be hosting a series of webinars where you'll be able to ask questions. We also encourage you to contact the school if you'd like to speak to us regarding any personal questions or queries you might have.
Dwi'n siŵr y gwnewch chi gytuno ein bod yn ysgol ddwyieithog crosawgar a chynnes sydd yn drysau bob amser ar agor i fod yn rhan ganolog o'r gymuned. Rydyn ni'n annog ymddygiad ardderchog gyda ysbryd cymunedol cryf, athrawon gofalgar ac yn bwysicach na dim, plant hapus sydd â'r cyfleoedd i gyflawni eu potensial o fewn a thu hwnt i'r dosbarth.
Finally, we're incredibly pleased to announce that as part of the transformation of education in Powys, Ysgol Llanfyllin will be having a new school building. This will mean that pupils joining us in 2021 will be involved in helping us design the new community campus, which we'll hopefully be moving into in September 2025, when you are starting Year 11. What an amazing project to be involved in. We look forward to hearing all your ideas for our brand new, state-of-the-art school. It's lovely to speak to you all, and we very much look forward to seeing you next September. Thank you very much for listening.
Diolch yn fawr iawn am rando mor astyd.